guys, this is going to be a little confusing, isn't it? It's just different setup again. It's like, what is she doing? Okay, before I start, I apologise. I know the angle's just spastic. There's really not much I can do about it at this point in time. Well, I'll only be filming a few videos like this, and then we'll be down the shop. So, down the shop. So that's the opposite. It's actually that way. I don't even know. Anyway, yeah, the videos that I post on Mondays are new videos. They're ones that are the most current. The ones I post on Friday are generally ones that were sort of filmed at the start of the year. So, yeah, so sometimes because there's no continuity between Monday and Friday, I think people are getting a little confused as to what I'm talking about. This video, I'm filming this on the 16th of October 2019. I have been in this new house out at Iluka now for 3 weeks. This is my second soap. I didn't film the first one because it was the Yamba Bar, which you guys have seen before, and it's boring, and I just wanted to get my setup happening. Yeah, so anyway, so here we are. Oh god, there's a big chunk of blue on it. Alright, I'm still, it's awkward the way everything's set up. I have forgotten what it's like to soap on, oh god, hang on. I have forgotten what it was like to soap on a little bench because this is really little compared to the last one, which is what I'll be setting up in the shop again. So, but it's like there's too much stuff to put on this little bench, and it's not a little bench. So yeah, but yeah, everything's happening. I told you guys about the shop. I'm sure I told you guys about the shop. That's 100% happening now. Oh god, I cannot get this blue out. Whatever, don't even care. Blue is... Oh, I've got sinus. My brain's just not functioning today. I'm trying to do too many things and get too much done just before Bree arrives, because we've got to get out of the shop and do some more measuring and... Oh, look, it's just... Yeah. Anyway, stop whinging. Let me mix this up first and foremost. There's no lye in there. There's little bits of blue in there now, but... Alright. Where's my lye? Oh, off camera. Of course it is. Oh, I've forgotten what it was like to soap in a hot shed. It's horrible. It's 27.4. It's really disgusting. I think I'm recording with the right mic. Who knows? That's kind of blurry. I don't know. Sorry guys, it's just everything's just all over the place. I tried to set up the big proper thing that holds the camera, tripod, but it doesn't have a little whatchamahoosit. So I just don't know what I'm talking about. Screw to screw into the bottom of the camera, so I had to use the little one, and I had to drag a table over, and it's just, yeah, the things I do for you people. But what? No, don't do that one. Do these ones. These ones first. Is that even? See, I'm not even taking any notice of what I'm doing. I'm so all over the place. Yeah, that's actually pretty emulsified. All right. So this is a bog standard watermelon, by the way, so if you're not interested in watching someone make the same old watermelon as usual, then you should probably turn this off now. The only difference will be my waffling, and that's no different than all my other videos. Alright, I'm doing 2 greens, and I'm going to do a drop swirl in the bottom of the mould, which I don't have because they're all over there. I'm using Melon Fizzer and Shamrock Shimmer, which is a synthetic. I'm also pretty sure it goes a weird ass olive colour, but comes back. So I should get my mould. So I painted up a storm yesterday. Here's another one. Yes, as you can see, I didn't do the bottoms, didn't see the point. there, just, and what I've done is, I don't know if you can see, because it's not going to autofocus, but I filled a bottle of gloss with Blizzard mica. That worked well. Oh, I need that, but I'll do this first because I'm going to do a green layer, then I'm going to do a little white layer, and the rest will be red. So we want to mix up the white first. New neighbours, so they're probably wondering why I'm talking to myself. I don't care. I do not care. I must put all the bubbles in the soap. Which one's the lightest? This one. They're reasonably different. Where's the water? There's the water. As you can see, Pennywise holds the water, which I feel is appropriate, because, you know, we all float down here and such. Okay, so, probably need some fragrance in these, so let's go with this first. Oh yeah, you can tell. Oh, hang on. Yes, that's gone. That's changed. It's changed. Oh no, it's changed. I'll just mix them with a spoon, I think. Sorry, guys. I'm so stressed, and I hurt my back the other day. Like, standing here doing this is really unpleasant. I have these two cupboards, and they've got to be, I'm trying not to exaggerate, but I reckon they've got to be like 40 kilo each, at least. And I'm not real good at judging weights though, but they're like, they might even be more. Anyway, so I decided it would be, you know, smart to put one on top of the other. So, you know, I leveraged it up on it, like, you know, it wasn't stupid. God, I sound like Mark saying like every 5 seconds. Mark would be Mark from NCT, for those K-poppers out there. Yeah, and then as I was lifting it up, something just let go in my back. It kind of went pop. And all the pain, I couldn't walk for a while. So, alright, well I'm going to just pour one colour in, and then I will drop the other one into it. I am totally confused as to what colour is what now. But I guess it doesn't matter, because, oh, that's what I haven't done. Smell me. I have a bad habit of not making those anymore. Alright, you go over there out of the way. And then we will pour just a little bit of this in here. Okay, that'll do. Alright, I'll loosen that up a little bit. Okie dokie, clean that up. Come over a bit closer to you guys. And yeah, I'm just gonna I just want a couple of different colours of green. I didn't want just regular old boring green, but this is how I make my watermelon generally anyway, so. But the reason I'm making this, well actually I'm going to have to make more than one. I've got to restock the markets because I'm really low on soaps. And I've also got to stock the shop, of which I have absolutely nothing at this point in time. And I am doing and the shop is opening in 2-3 weeks. So, see, that'd be fun. I also figured if I didn't have enough stock to open, I just wouldn't for the first week, and that would be fine. Just give me more setup time, so I'm not overly worried. Let me just tap that down. Now, I might, even though this is all fairly thick, I'm going to pour it on the spatch anyway, just because I want fairly level layers. And no, I didn't put any fragrance in this. I am aware of that. I did that on purpose. because I want the white to stay white, and watermelon does discolour slightly. So yeah, so you guys will be getting videos from down the shop when it opens. So I don't know whether I will film during the day when the shop is open, because if a customer comes in, I'm in the middle of a shop, no, middle of a soap, that's going to be a little awkward. So I probably won't do that. I'll probably wait till the end of the day and do them then with that spoon. Go, that one's dirty. Alright, so this is watermelon, which is more of an orange than a red, but I don't care about making a red because watermelons aren't red anyway, really. And this one is French rose, which is quite pink, so you know. And then we're going to throw in some ground poppy seeds and the rest of the fragrance. And I'm going to give that a whiz. Gotta say, I actually love the colour. That's really good. I'm not going to mix that anymore with the stick blender because it's just thicken up too much. So let's just give that a bit of a mix with that. Another paper towel. I have no paper towels ripped up at this point, so we can go down there. I'm so unorganised, like there's just shit everywhere. There's no microwave out here, there's no water out here, so I'm having to go inside and melt my hard oils, and then it's just ridiculous. It really is. Oh dear. But it's all good. It's all good. I'll get the hang of it. I mean, there's so much stuff that's still not unpacked as well, so you know, I don't even know where half my stuff is. Now once again, I'm going to pour onto the spatch, just, you know, so that the white layer just stays reasonably flat. Because, you know, it's a watermelon, so it's got to look somewhat flat. You guys actually see what I'm doing? You can. It'd be great if I was just, you know, off camera for the whole soap, which wouldn't surprise me. Oh, smells delicious. So this is not just any one watermelon from Eroma. This is a mix of 2 different watermelons, which I'm not telling you because it's my secret. It's my secret, I tell you. No, well, I call it juicy watermelon, but it's actually not the juicy watermelon from Eroma. But the name sort of, I don't know, the name just stuck, really. Alright. Well, there you go. Not bad. What's that? 15 minutes for a soap. Plus I'm sure there'll be some editing because I'm useless. Oh, just get. There's not even any room for like the empty bowls or anything on here. It's just ridiculous. Okay, so I'm going to indulge my love of glitter today, and we'll go get a glitter for that. Ooh, see, I can edit that out too. Oh, that was a hard decision. Seriously. I only have like this really red, I don't know what it's called. It's beautiful. All the friggin' glitters from my Mica Obsession is beautiful, but I say that about every single one. It's like, oh, this is so pretty. It's like I forget how pretty they are until I use them, and I don't use them because I hoard them. There's one thing I'm very hoardy about. Hoardy? Okay. That's a new word, I think. Chuck that one in the dictionary. Holy crap, it's hot. guys, it's super hot. I don't like it. I don't like sweating my hole out. It's unpleasant. That is crimson. That explains why it's super red. But it's got like yellow and tint of green in there. And then this one is raspberry something or other. It's very pretty as well. This did not come from my Mica Obsession. This came from Aussie soap supplies before I knew any better. Before I knew that they were one of the most expensive suppliers in Australia. But they, oh shit. They carried brambleberry stuff, which I suppose, I don't know, is brambleberry stuff expensive comparatively in America? Because here it is. Eroma is one of the cheapest supplier, sorry, is one of the cheapest suppliers of fragrance in the country, which is why I think a lot of people buy their fragrances. Everyone says that, well, not everyone, but some people say that brambleberry is better quality, and honestly, I disagree. That's their opinion. We all have one. That's why they're like assholes. But I have used, and specifically with energy, the energy from Eroma is beautiful. It's lovely to work with. The energy from brambleberry accelerates trace, and I think it's slightly discoloured. And so yeah, and it's not the only one. It's the only one I can remember. But all right, there you go. Whoop-de-doo. There. Well, see, now it's 20 minutes because I waffled. Because, you know, I do that. Okie dokie. I'll have to figure out what I'm making next. Lemongrass and Persian lime, I think. But I want to do it different, so anyway, alright, I'll see you for the cutting. Ooh, okay, there's a bit of lag going on there. Holy crap. Alright, I'll see you later. See y'all later. Bye. Hello. Back to cut this beastie. As you can see, it's, oh, you can't actually see. It's not a very nice colour. I had a bad run with colour today. I think the 3 soaps that I've made are all shit. So, yeah, see, not nice. Oh well, never mind. There's really not much I can do about it, so it is what it is. It still looks like a watermelon, so, you know, there's too much white. But yeah, the greens sort of melded together, so there's not really any difference. I mean, there's enough probably, but yeah, there's a slight variation. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. Maybe there. It's hard to tell. The laptop's a fair distance from me, but yeah. Anyway, it smells alright. It smells like watermelon, so, you know, kind of looks like watermelon. You know, I'm being more fussy than what my customers will be. They'll be like, oh, that looks like a watermelon. That's awesome. And then they'll smell it, and then they'll love it. And, you know, it's like I make stubby holders, and I stress over the colours. But no one has ever said, oh, I'm not buying that because it's the wrong colour. Not once. They just love the sayings on them. So there you go. So I need to worry less about shit. Alright, well that's it for that one. Well, that was a quick, oh geez, 2 minutes. Go me. Getting better at this. Alright guys, I'll see you for the next one. Bye.